Xiaomi Redmi 10X full specifications are finally here. So what's up guys, and as the Redmi 10X is going to be released in couple of weeks, we are getting enough informations and leaks about the Redmi 10X series. In this video, we will talk about the full specs about this device. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. The Redmi 10X series will consist of Redmi 10X and Redmi 10X Pro. The regular Redmi 10X will have two different models. One of them has 4G support and the other supports 5G. The company's general manager Liu Weibing teased on Weibo that the Redmi has a new surprise for fans in China in the month of May. Now we have learned the specs and color option from ever reliable Ishan Agarwal. According to him, the Redmi 10X model is in the works, which is the first time we are hearing of second 10X smartphone. First of all, let's talk about the regular Redmi 10X, then we will jump to 10X Pro. The 4G variant will have 4GB and 6GB RAM option and 128GB inbuilt storage. This phone will be available in white, sky blue and green colors, whereas the 5G model will come with 6GB and 8GB RAM option with 64GB, 128GB and 256GB inbuilt storage option. This model will be available in dark blue, violet, gold and silver colors. Being said that the regular Redmi 10X will have 6.53-inch console display with 1080 by 2340 pixels resolution. It will have 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel quad camera setup and 13 megapixel of selfie camera, and will be offering 5020 mAh battery. The Redmi 10X will be powered by the 1.8 GHz MediaTek Helio G70 chipset and Android 10, which was later retweeted by Geekbench listing. Now let's talk about the big daddy, that is Redmi 10X Pro. This phone will have 8GB RAM with 128GB and 256GB storage option and will be sold in dark blue, violet and silver or white colors. Beside these specs, we don't have the confirmed specifications of this handset. That means there is still time for more details to come out. We heard a rumor that the regular Redmi 10X 4G model will be available in $211, that is approximately 16,000 Indian rupees. But we still have no price leaks of 5G model and Redmi 10X Pro from legit sources. According to 91 Mobiles, the Xiaomi Redmi 10X is likely to be launched in 28 May 2020, but it's still unofficial, so it may postpone too. According to Ishan Agarwal, Xiaomi is going to launch two more handsets in China, that is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 family and Redmi K30i. The Redmi Note 10 Pro is coming with Dimensity 820 chipset benchmark with some great zooming features. It will feature 6GB and 8GB RAM option with 64GB, 128GB and 256GB base storage option. We can expect Redmi Note 10 price Pro to $210.85, that is 15,999 Indian rupees. Talking about Redmi K30i, it will be powered by Dimensity 800 chipset and will offer 5G support. This phone will launch with 6GB RAM and 128GB inbuilt storage. The Redmi K30i is rumored to cost $256.89, that is 19,500 Indian rupees. So that's all we know about the Redmi Note 10X and Xiaomi upcoming phones. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel for latest tech updates.